everyone, we're going to be learning decimals and how to pronounce them. So first of all, let's start off with our first question. What is a decimal? That's our first question. What is a decimal? Well, I can tell you, I can answer that question for you. A decimal is a number that instead of writing, you can't write like if you're trying to write 3.5, you can't go around and write like you can't write it like 3.5. Or you can't, but you can do it like this. But there's also another way. Decimals. Decimals are numbers. To do 3.5, you'd have to do 3.5. So like that's a decimal. Or if you're doing like I don't know, what is 0.7 plus 3? You can answer that by using decimals. That would be 3.7. Because you're adding less than 0, more than -1. And if you want to know what minus is, look at my next video. So, that's our first answer done. What is a decimal? Now, I hope you all know what a decimal is. Now we're going to know how to pronounce them. Here, 3.7, 3.5, 7.6. Now I'm going to give you another one. 2. Can you pronounce that? Quickly, I'm going to give you 5 seconds to quickly see if you can pronounce it, and I want to pronounce it right to you, and see if you got it correct. Time's up. So, put a lid here. So, to pronounce this, when you go to decimals, you pronounce each digit by digit. That's a key thing. When you're pronouncing it, pronounce digit by what? Digit. So here, what I mean by that is pronounce it 2.63. That's the proper way. I've seen many people make this mistake. When I mean many people, I mean year 5s. And this one is confusing when you go into decimals. A bit confusing. So remember it. When you pronounce it, 2.63. So this, I'm going to show you in a place value chart. I'm going to do a 3-digit number and a decimal and a 2-digit decimal. So hundreds, 10. That's a bit too close. Tens, ones, or you could also put it as units. I learned it as ones. Tenths. Yes, tenths. You put it tenths, and then hundreds. So hundreds, tens, ones, tenths, hundreds. So here, let's put down 376.52. Write that down somewhere and see if you can get it correct. 10 seconds. Starting now. Time's up. Well, that's okay. Here we go. Now to put it in. 300. Oh wait. Always remember. you put a decimal point between the ones and the tenths. So, 300, 76.5. I didn't pronounce that one myself. 2. So this is called the hundredths and tens. Units or ones. Tens and hundreds. Tens, tenths, hundreds, hundreds. Always have the THS on all the decimal number. You could have thousands. There would be a thousands, right? No, I don't think so. I'm not sure. There is? Well, anyway, I don't know. You can search up on YouTube. So that's how you do it. Bye everyone, and thank you for watching.